Hi everyone, I am a learner just like you. As a student, I started this channel to support the studies and share my knowledge with others. My goal is to help you to learn and grow in the world of programming. Who I am? I am a student. As you are seeing here, I am created a page with the concept that to know the clarity of this video and how I continue to upload the videos regarding the concepts of software engineering. On this channel I will teach you C, C++, Java, JavaScript, both frontend and backend. We will go step by step with the working together as the fundamental steps of the mini projects and major projects with covering C, C++, Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, Python. Using these tools we can design the front end and back end. With that we can implement on mini projects and make style sheet using CSS, web pages using HTML. Using JavaScript we can connect with the backend like Jam servers and so on. Next we'll see the some of the things which we will see that are software is a great combination between artist and engineering. It is said by the Bill Gates, and that is most appropriate. Software is a great combination between artistry and engineering. Such a great word. I am a beginner in software engineering. And what are the activities we are going to cover now? That are problem solving and logical thinking. Problem solving major helps in the placement programming. Logical thinking also helps in that, and practice puzzles, algorithms, lead codes, code chips, learning program basics, explore data structure, hands-on coding, build small programs like mini projects. With that implementation of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Jam servers, we will see the some of major tools which are should be used in the mini project. And we should see the web development, learn version control, which is the major usage in project management. Git is a GitHub is the major tool to upload our project sheets, our prepared project to share with our community. Community means whatever our group what we have created for building our project. And debugging and testing, fixing the errors in the coding. We'll see the things one by one. With the coding knowledge we will see the how to fix errors, how to create the files, how to create the arrays, data structures, using C how to create the data structure, how using Java, and so on, C++, setter, getter, and so on. You will see the depth in knowledge. Read the software engineering books, docs, learn practices. We will see all the, I will mention some of the books, some of the sheets I have prepared, and what I have learned from that guidelines. And thank you. With that we'll see in the next video. We'll continue with the C. We don't have that much time to cover this because I'm in a 5th semester and I should cover full stack development. We'll see in the next video. Thank you so much.